In this video, we'll help you understand and customize your alarms. To get to your alarm settings, tap Alarms on the navigation bar. Your urgent low glucose alarm is automatically set at 55 milligrams per deciliter. Now, let's customize your low glucose alarm. Tap the slider to turn it on. The default low glucose alarm is set to 70 milligrams per deciliter. Tap here to change the value between 60 to 100 milligrams per deciliter. Tap Save. You'll be notified the minute your glucose falls below the level you set. iPhone users can tap here to choose your alarm tone. Tap here to turn on Override Do Not Disturb. The default high glucose alarm is set to 250 milligrams per deciliter. You can customize it by following the same steps. Escalating alarms are designed to be discreet. They begin with a vibration and get louder over time. Or you can use silent mode to receive alarms silently for up to 6 hours. To get to silent mode, tap Alarms on your navigation bar. To turn silent mode on, tap the slider. Tap the time field to set your duration. Tap Save. Tap Turn On to confirm. You can turn silent mode off at any time. Just tap the banner on your home screen. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Now you're ready to learn about signal loss and other alarms. The signal loss alarm lets you know when glucose alarms aren't available. It indicates that your sensor isn't communicating with the app because it's too far away or that there's an issue with your sensor. The signal loss alarm is on by default. You can turn it off in alarm settings. On the navigation bar, tap Alarms. Tap the slider to turn it off. Tap the slider again to turn the signal loss alarm back on. iPhone users can tap here to choose your alarm tone. Tap here to turn on Override Do Not Disturb. System alarms let you know you're no longer receiving glucose readings or glucose alarms. They are always on. Replace sensor and sensor-ended alarms notify you that your sensor needs to be replaced. The app stopped alarm notifies you that the app has been closed. The Libre app must always be running in the background for you to get alarms. Simply tap the alarm to reopen the app. The Check Sensor alarm lets you know if the app identifies that the sensor tip may not be inserted under your skin. Check that your sensor is securely attached. You're all set. Now you're ready to share your glucose data with your doctor.